London da best tauba Tripura ke Manipuri artist Radha Vinod Sharma Johnny Depp ke The People's Artist Campaign 2026 ke ambassador oina khalakle. Radha Vinod Sharma artist amasung curator oibada natana Ima Foundation ki founder sune. Ma United States da best tauba humanitarian arts organization The Art of Elysium ge ambassador oina khalakibane. The Art of Elysium hariba organization asina angangi hospital, elder care facility amade special needs school na jingba mafam sing da art program kaya pangthuklibane. Masigi saruk amo oina Hollywood actor Johnny Depp yaugadaba The People's Artist haina mingthonba campaign asidasu Radha Vinod Sharma na ambassador oina saruk yagadabane. The Art of Elysium ke founder Jennifer Howell na khudek pituna tharakpa Cherol amada Radha Vinod Sharma na ambassador oiragani haiba wafam ase phongdorakibani amade Cherol aduga loinana participation bets amasu tharaki haire ningsingba yabate kumja lisingani kunmanga ke September thada Radha Vinod Sharma United Nations Global Peace Council na House of Lords ta pangthokpa thoram amada London Award of Excellence lisingani kunmanga pituna ikai kumnaba utkrabane Award adu Lord Rami Ranger, Dr. Krishna Pujara Amate, Dr. Barkha Sarmana present Tokibane, Panbayai, Radha Vinod Kumja Lisingama Pan Humfu Marida, Tripura Gay, Kamalpur da Pokibane, Maha Kumja Lisingamaga, Tamapan, Marifu Mapanda, Biswa Bharati University Gay, Kalab Bhavana, Santiniketan the painting da diploma Lushilaba Matunda, Kumja Lisingamapan, Marifutara Mathoida, Baroda Laiba MS University the Fine Arts da, Post Diploma Lushilakibane. Kumja Lisingama Pan Marifutara Nitoi the Mahak, Canada ke Elizabeth Green Seal Foundation Grant Ikai Kumna Utkibagaloinana, Kumja Lisingama Pan Marifutara Marida, London ge Charles Wallens Trust Grant so Ikai Kumna Utkrabane, Madugi Matunda Delphina Studio Trust Residency na Chahi Amagi London the Pokibane, Mahakumja Lisingama Pan Marifutara Mathoida, Ahmedabad ke Kanodia Fellowship Suphankrabane, Hauzik Mahak London the Tabak Toduna, Lady Bane.